Eudaimonia welcomes you. This is Humaira, and in today's episode, we will be discussing about the various types of workout snacks and how they vary based on situation. So let us get started. We know that everyone is different. Their tolerance to food is different, the way they respond to food is different, and that is why you need to do a bit of trial and error till you find the most perfect workout snack that works best for you. And what we need to understand is the principle of workout. You need to know the duration with which you are working out, what is the type of exercise that you do, how frequently do you work out, and what is the intensity with which you work out. Based on these principles, you will be able to understand the kind of food that you need so that you can work out efficiently with 100% energy. In addition to the principles, we also have to keep in mind the time at which we plan to work out. If we are working out early in the morning, that means our body has been deprived of energy. The food that you had was last night, so your body is not having enough energy to sustain the workout that you're going to do. You are on an empty stomach. So never work out on an empty stomach, especially early in the morning. You need to have a small snack. It could be figs or dates or fruits or even some handful of nuts, but do not go empty stomach because you will not be able to exercise as well as you would have if you had a workout snack with you. Now, if you're having your workout after a meal, if it is a big meal especially, give 60 minutes or 2 hours of gap between your meals because you are going to throw up, otherwise you will not be able to exercise properly. Food has to settle down in the stomach. So make sure that you give a gap after a big meal before you go for a workout. If you're having your workout between meals, if there is enough gap between two meals, you still need to give your body some boost of energy. So have a small snack here as well. Keep 30 minutes of gap before your workout so that you are able to work out with a lot of intensity, with a lot of efficiency, and there is some productivity out of it.
What you eat before a workout also plays a key role in how you feel and perform. The closer you eat before a workout, you will want your foods to be higher in carbohydrates and lower in fats because carbohydrates take lesser time to digest and can give you the energy instantly. If you are eating 30 to 60 minutes before, it is recommended that you eat a high carbohydrate, moderate protein, and low fat snack before exercising. If you're eating 2 to 3 hours before, it is recommended that you eat a high carbohydrate, high protein, and low fat meal before exercising. Carbs are the body's main source of energy and they are essential when working out. Proteins help in repairing your muscles and stimulate the production of new muscles. A moderate amount of protein is required in the diet to maintain muscle mass. Some of the healthy and easy to prepare pre workout snacks include non fat Greek yogurt with any seasonal fruit of your choice. If you wish to add chia seeds, you can do so. Other than that, you can also have whole grain toast and a hard boiled egg, a banana with 1 tablespoon peanut butter, but avoid if you are diabetic. You can also have yogurt based smoothies or a handful of nuts, but make sure they are unsalted.
Another thing that I would like to add is that you should keep yourself hydrated while working out. Always carry a bottle of water with you wherever you go so that you are able to pump yourself up with oxygen, because when there is depletion of oxygen in the body during an exercise, there is release of lactic acid, and when lactic acid is released, you get muscle cramps. So ensure that you keep sipping on water from time to time, and if you do not like the regular water, you can just take any flavored water, add lemon to it, mint to it, just make it into an infused water or a detox water, but do keep yourself hydrated. That is all for today. I will see you all next Sunday. Don't worry, it's not the end of our workout episode. We are going to talk about post-workout meals in our next session, so I hope to see you all there. Until then, do share these tips with your friends, with your family members, and do follow it yourself too. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you all next Sunday. Until then, love, invest, find yourself, and enjoy.